Hello my friends, today I have another transition for you. This time I have particles scrolling around and clearing the picture, revealing the other one underneath it. I have to apologize because I don't have example of video. This is because my graphics card have only 2 GB of RAM and this NVIDIA GT 1030. Probably next month I will get a new RX 588 gigabytes, so this will speed up my workflow. Anyway, let's get this started. Alright, in Davinci Resolve I already made Fusion clip. Just click on Fusion, go on Fusion in FX library and folder where you extracted your file. Just click on falling particle slide and drag and drop, and this is all you need to do. Connect to the media out, connect to media into the background to the yellow arrow and media into the green arrow, and that's it. And now I will show you what will happen when you scroll a little bit. Then you will see the particles falling down, revealing the picture beneath. Also, you can click and go on a particle emitter, and you can adjust how many particles you want. Here I included only 100, but you can increase to 10,000 if you want. This will show a much nicer picture, but it will use your RAM, so be careful about this. As you can see, it with every frame it will reveal, and I will not go very far because I will get the you see here your GPU memory is full, so this means I cannot do anything. So this is basically it. If you want to use this transition, you just make sure that you have enough video RAM and enough of system RAM. I recommend about 16 gigabytes at minimum and video RAM 4 gigabytes. I think it should be enough. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.